or in the office via your mobile device or computer. Number 7. Individual one-on-one counseling and support sessions with your instructor during the course of the training. Number 8. Versatile class schedule spread across 3 weeks of lectures and a 4th week of lab exercises and one-on-one work with instructors. You'll have plenty of time to acquire, understand, and retain both the theoretical and practical aspects of the training. Number 9. Certified instructors with more than 10 years of VMware experience. Our teachers are highly qualified, each with years of sysadmin experience. All hold VCP and CVIA certificates. More importantly, they love teaching VMware and strive to make your experience as fun, enjoyable, and effective as possible. 9 critical advantages that you will be getting when you register with us.
Our highly professional training is delivered by a dedicated team of instructors. It consists of 4 weeks of course content and 24/7 access to materials and lab environment. Today, you can learn VMware and enjoy top quality training given by our trusted and certified trainers no matter where in the world you are. We believe that training has to be affordable, practical, and comprehensive. So don't wait any longer. Click on the link below and register today.